But you remember say you kill it two penny them at Trulani. Me don't know all people watch all you. Cause me could have the art for watch you. Me could have the art for watch you. That's why I say see them watch you now. Them not have no art. Them art bitter. Them art. Yeah, them art bitter. And them art bitter for true. Cause me could do it. Me eat for that. I mean eat for that for life. In 2012 it happened. It happened in 2012. When the incident happened, I hit my friend Courage second. Courage no only you know. Courage no only. Courage only a friend. So cause even only us the bond down and my friend she comes to it. Courage even in Switzerland. I chose Courage no there. Cause what day when the day here? And me there live and we talk about it. Courage that talk. I only the ear when she talk on the live. Yeah. Some of them don't know cause me never know. No, the thing is I'm tell you. The only person who don't know it's the Jamaican real people. The real man them don't know, but the Batman them know. You understand me? The Batman them know. Say a long time. That's like me a Barracuda say no say. I those people where like the real people them don't know. The real straight man them don't know. But the Batman them know. You understand me? I say them ever say murderer. Girl. When only rep two penny them, only run we and go Panama. When only run and go Panama, only could come back to Jamaica. When every girl come, let me tell you something. When everybody come, I have to prove now. When everybody come from Panama, when every girl come from Panama go Jamaica, only was the only Batman could come back to Jamaica. A Panama only left from you know, and America you know, and a Jamaica you know. Don't think of Jamaica you know. Don't you dare think only leave from Jamaica and go to Panama, go to America. Only left from Panama and go America. Only could go back to Jamaica. All the news I got call him name when him run away. That's why them like it. That's why them bond on the stepfather house in the news. They have a California. That is the reason why them bond on him stepfather. Me sure no. That is the reason why them bond on him stepfather. Them kill his stepfather and bond on the mother house and rape his sister. Since stepfather. Right there. So that's the reason why. I set the house on fire. Kiss me fucking teeth. It's in the it did a girl, but the thing is they don't have any evidence. They don't have any name there because him run away. It's just like when I do something and you're gone, they don't have no evidence. So how much people kill people at Jamaica and they don't have it. See him father there. Come on from my page. Go suck your mother dead dog. Don't come back. See him stepfather there. Hold on. No, hold on. No me could have do. Yeah, your father come suck up my pussy. You and your father come near up my pussy. You and your alright, you go on. Come after this. You don't know nothing. I should have feel penny only rape. And fuck off your penny. See there? Still step blood clad father there. And his sister with them raping blood clad sister. Nobody can tell me nothing. Hold on. Come after blood clad this. Don't come it back germs. Come back 2050. They raping sister because when we saw, you see them rape him sister and kill him stepfather. And stepfather, it's only stepfather, yeah. Then kill him stepfather and rape his sister and set the house on fire. Yeah, in a 2000 and blood clot 12. Your father police say father couple. Naturally, I have a blood clot. The incident come across a blood clot CVM blood clot news. Destiny, be careful. Go suck your mother big stinking pussy called immigration. Your blood clot. Your immigration. You and immigration in Switzerland come suck out me batsy old dirty girl. Destiny, be careful. Immigration can be contact. Do your thing, but me just I say You, let me tell you, girl, you and the immigration them come, you and the Switzerland immigration them come suck up my body wall. Come near my blood clash. You talk about for the immigration. You tell me for the blood clot immigration, drunko, they dive into talk about blood clot immigration. This and immigration that. Come on for the live. Move for me, man. You chat blood clot too much. You know, say me not for black you. I got an ad you. Let me tell you where me live. I live a blood clot Switzerland. You want my address? You want? I don't give a fuck about blood clot immigrant or anything. I don't give a blood clot fuck. You want them come near me underneath. You want them come near me blood clot underneath. That's about blood clot immigrant. Immigrant to my bomb blood clot. You want them come eat up my body all. Me have papers in a foreign, only there no papers in a foreign. Cause only there I gotta beat only. No, I just realize how she said immigrant. I think she said immigration. No come I go black no. Me have my blood clot, my grant even a blood clot. I have my blood clot papers in a front and I can't travel anymore and blood clot go. And a female upon my blood clot document that make you want to arrest official and say me can't go back to Jamaica. Female. A M is on my document. Not a blood clot N. A M. You say a M. A F is on my document. F. F. Come back. Oh, why not like that lock off? So it's not more while ago. Forget me the backyard, you know, me had one backyard. This the end of the day. Oh man, them supposed to beat me because me's a batty blood clot, man. Them supposed to beat me because me's a blood clot batty, man. But remember, say me need to walk a blood clot. If them supposed to beat me because me's a batty, man, but them can't beat me in a foreign blood clot. Them can't blood clot beat me in a foreign. Them supposed to be because me's a blood clot batty, man. Yes, they beat me in Jamaica. I'm happy in a blood clot, friend. I'm not sad a blood clot. They beat me a Jamaica, I'm happy. I'm started watching them beat me. I'm still nice no blood clot. Them beat me, I'm still blood clot nice. Them beat me a Jamaica, I'm still blood clot nice. I'm not putting up. I mean, I'm a horse. I'm still blood clot nice. I'm my body flawless. My body flawless, no blood clot. I can't take out my filter and show my blood clot looks. They beat me a Jamaica, my body flawless, no blood clot. My face smooth and nice, no blood clot. You see a girl will get too much blood clot being on her body smooth and nice, and her face so smooth and blood clot nice. Smooth and blood clot nice. What you talk about? Them supposed to beat me. Them supposed to blood clot beat me, but them beat me and beat me good. Cause them beat me and my body soft and smooth. Not soft enough, firm and smooth and nice. Me a first beat my body soft and smooth and nice. Hmm? Go and suck your mother big stinking pussy. Stop casting because your mama there Jamaica. My mother, I task when the blood clot mama live. I'm a full of bad family. Me full of bad family. Ask them about blood clot came man. Ask them about blood clot came man in a blood clot rivalry. Ask them. Further blood clot who come for come for blood clot. I'm telling you something. My brother the America. And my brother we deport him blood clot self for Jamaica just to go kill out in the dirty blood clot. Go suck no mother and come off a blood clot this. You need love. I want shit in your mama mouth. That I want to do. And if you have no pit, woman, go near out to unwanted blood clot, dirty pity them. Go on your mouth unwanted dirty blood clot penny. A dirty only the behind the page. Only come suck up my pussy O'Neil. Only the government supposed to take care of blood clot me. But only remember say walk and teeth down the whole of blood clot United States of a blood clot America. Kitchen girl don't blood clot argue with me because you're eating at the Kitchen girl, don't argue with blood clot me. Because you're the only girl I sit down in a blood clot kitchen night and blood clot there, you know, blood clot cook. Only remember say you can't blood clot cook. I tell the girl America say you can't blood clot cook. A pure blood clot back school, they buy dirty blood clot. Only no man know why your blood clot come up evidence sample. Look up for my blood clot prove. Hold on. Only no man know why you. No man know why you dirty O'Neal. Dirty now say O'Neal. No man eats you. Well, I'm going to my blood clot on. Where you are. I only be on the blood clot page. Dirty O'Neal. Make him come now. So tell me, I'll if me delete them, I'm going on my WhatsApp. Was but delete it. Hold on, guys. I'm going to WhatsApp or screenshot it. You post the boy and the boy say for take down in blood clots. The boy texts and the boy said, oh my God, you post that picture and IG, can you take it down? We just meet, we are not. The boy, see there? Please no, I don't like drama. I'm not trying to be in no mix up. And no mix up page. Take it down, please. O'Neal, let me tell you something. Don't come for me to come here blood clot proven. Hey, yo boko. O'Neal, let me tell you something. I have proven a text the blood clot. Wow, yo. See there? O'Neal, come for blood clot. Me not come up evidence. Me have video. Me have picture. I may have blood clot proof. Look at me and think say, Mr. Hey, me tell you something, O'Neal. You see me, Mr. FBI, Mr. Police Officer. You understand me? I have every blood clot file. And if you touch blood clot me, I show you what got you served. Yeah, you first start it. Can you go for blood clot? Derek Clive, I come class and I come bring down when I put up blood clot, Derek. I let me now show it good. No go away. Me now blood clot show it good. Me now show it good. I don't do not just look down at the bottom and say onion name down there. See him name there. Me now show it good a blood clot. No go away. A kitchen girl and she not chef. Only I can cook in a kitchen that old me now. Put it back a bomb clot. You know go come for this blood clot. Me black for this pussy wall. Oh, only that all the blood clot girl me say walk and sit down in a blood clot kitchen. No girl can't stand and turn on my life anytime coming. The government supposed to blood clot take care of me. Government supposed to take care of my blood clot O'Neal. But me must say walk and teeth down the whole of blood clot America. Anybody say put you up back Ghana for this live. She get LOL, she got you up. She got make up story. Make up story and come back. Where ya? You must say me the only Batman can show my results now. On Instagram. Bitch, bye. You don't make no sense. Bitch, bye. Get the fuck out of here, bitch. You don't make no fucking sense because you make up a fucking story and come, my father have HIV. Bitch, let me tell you something. I have blood clot 23. I'm a girl. Hey, let me tell you something. So I come out to my business then. Make sure I look for myself. You understand?
You might lose that day. Understand? It's still there?
Yeah, I wish I talk to. I'm going to look for myself. You understand me? Because let me tell you something. No sickness can blood clot come to my way. Come here, God bless. You understand me? I'm not fucking children who like no. Remember saying the whole girl, all the blood clot, but I'm still I can't fuck around. With a girl, I come talk about say father. Bitch, my father did for me a blood clot too. Whore, where? You know something? Dead dog, you know a blood clot something. A 3 pitney my father with my mama. 3 blood clot pitney my father with my mother. My sister with the America. My brother with the Jamaica and me. And she have more on the side. What you talk about? About have AIDS. You know something about me dirty girl? Remember I call you how much time for come show no blood clot paper. Me ask me stop show my paper because me show me type show it till you no can't show no. No can't show phone no one. Everybody no come and talk about AIDS. If you come out and say you are dating one man and you are dating man for 5 years and you don't use condom. Majority of the time, they don't use condom most of the time, and you come out and show your man results, same have AIDS. You no must have AIDS too. You have it in your blood. Because any man can't fuck.
No, but they're foreign.
You're sick out. You can't tell me nothing.
Mm-hmm.
So we had to about. Eh? Remember me no fuck it chillalo. Remember me no fuck chop. Me is not a fucking chillalo. Remember say all madman no go fuck. All dog fuck on puss fuck on everything fuck on now. One pussy there so we must have disease in an all.
I remember that.
Them have to have this in them all if animal have fuck them dog have fuck them must have disease in them blood clot wall. And now can push up and start a blood clot things in them body wall. Because infection also some say they no more sick so they cost me. Them can't blood clot because me the girl sleep and live in the blood. I one back to my say sleep and live in a one kitchen. So me can't get up in a kitchen every blood clot you like on where. And at 2022 you get furniture in your house. You know, 2022 you find 7 years they get furniture in your house. 2022. 2022 you get furniture in your house. You're a disgrace. Let me come